I'm Mark. I'm just going to show you how to change your Euro cylinder over on the UPVC door. Okay, so we've got the customer's keys, got the door, open it. Now, can you see the retaining bolt that's holding the Euro in place? We need to unscrew that next. Now what I normally do is just push two fingers from one side, so I'm pushing it out towards where the key's coming from. And remember that on most Euros you need your key at 5-2 or 5 pass to take it out. So I'm turning that, you see it went to 5 pass, it pulled straight out. Now, if we were measuring this for a customer, you would see on the Euro cylinder, can you see the discoloration? Okay, so the discoloration would happen for the amount of metal that's sticking out from the handle side. So if I look at this, and remember the measurements are always in 5mm increments, so this is a 45mm cylinder, but you can see how much it sticks out from the door, so you would fit a new 40, 50 in chrome. When we're refitting it, so you get your new lock out, you put your key into the lock, you turn it again, as you can see, you see the Euro sticking out from the side. That's why we need the key at 5 past or 5-2. So I'm now pushing it at 5-2. Push it through until it turns. So my key's turning, and that's locating the cam in the correct place. So I can now put the retaining bolt back in. Okay, I can now lock my door. Okay, job done. Thank you.